welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of Guyana's national dishes. Today we'll be making some metemgee. So to get started, I have here some cassava, eddo root, plantains, and some sweet potatoes. These are my ground provisions, and I have here some fresh coconut milk, some thyme, scallions, parsley, ginger, garlic, some hot peppers here, which are chilies, wiri, and scotch bonnet. I have some onions, bell peppers for the seasoning, mushroom seasoning, bouillon, seasoned salt, and black pepper. Now let's prepare our duff. Duff is the bigger versions to dumplings. So here I have some all-purpose flour, some salt, sugar, and baking powder. We will mix that well, and then we'll add some fresh parsley just to add a pop of color to it. Then we'll go in with some warm water. You want to mix until you form a nice soft dough. Then we'll cover it and allow it to rest until we're ready for it later. Now to a preheated pot, I've added some oil. We will go in with our aromatics. We will also add our herbs. Mix well and allow to go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add the rest of our ingredients, which are our ground provisions. We will also add our coconut milk here, and we'll add our seasoning to add flavor and taste. You can taste and adjust the seasoning to your own preference, but yeah, we'll give it a good mix, cover, and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat until all the ground provisions are nice and tender and the coconut milk has reduced and thickened. Now that everything is fully cooked, lastly we will add the duff in here. These are the shapes that I made them in because they are traditional, but feel free to do them in any shape and form that you like. Once they are added, we'll give them a little stir. You know, just swish them around the pot. Don't rough them up too much because we don't want them to break apart. We will cover it and allow it to simmer on medium-low heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. You don't want to overcook your dumplings or else they will become hard and tough. So about 5 minutes to 8 minutes, they should be perfectly cooked. And that's it, guys. Now we can turn our heat off and get ready to plate up. And here you have it, Guyanese style metemgee. I did serve it up with some fried fish and boiled eggs, and it was absolutely divine. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.